It's like, listen to the birds. Well, I was gonna say though, well, maybe turn on the camera. If somebody in like Arkansas, United States of America, like a public attorney, Andy Reiner, if he ever got a kid or tried to adopt one, it'd only be because he's greedy, hateful, unlawful, and wants money, land, real estate. It is associated to human trafficking. I've only heard that man speak one time in my life, and that was September 2015, probate court, Montgomery County, Arkansas. And he said the Bible told him and his co-workers to take care of the fatherless and orphans. He didn't say much that day. And that was my first time to meet public defender Brian Johnson, attorney at law.